Heads up, Tom. I'm gonna catch a fish.
Oh, I didn't.
Are you too funny?
This is the most stable boat I've ever stood on.
You gotta look over there and see if they're catching anything.
For real.
No way.
The second that guy reels one in, bro, we're heading over there.
Okay.
Oh, I think I'm getting thumped, bro.
He's getting thumped. Crankbait's about to go on.
Gotta be safe.
We need to find some rocks.
It's the same fish I just
Rule number one is,
All right. Everybody fasten yourselves.
Fish on!
Oh,
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
dang, Rock, I'm kind of jealous. You catch that on your shad?
Let's go! First fish of the day! That's how we do it, baby, at 34, racking in big one. Got it.
You're kidding.
oh my God! I swear.
Come on. Oh my God, come on. Come on. Just come on. Just come on. Just come on.
I don't think I've ever seen anybody catch anything.
Got another one. Yep.
Dude,
Oh my
Hey.
gosh.
put it in the water.
Put it in the water. It's not that big.
Hey, we catch it, or Brock's catching.
That's number 2 on the day, baby, at 34.
Are those both on crank? Yeah.
It's the same lure.
Right, I think that was the cast directly after I said nobody's ever fought.
Yeah, well, I felt it, and I was like, he was saying it, I was like, ooh. Hey, let me get the signature toss.
Hold up, hold up, hold up.
Hey.
One more, baby!
I think I just broke off.
Oh,
I just broke off.
what did you have?
That was huge.
What did you have on?
That was a monster.
Were you using a...
That was a jig.
I'm gonna catch it. I'm gonna catch it. I'm gonna catch it.
Hey, if you catch it, I want my lure back.
I'm not gonna take it.
I don't know if you catch
Bro,
it.
that'd be great.
I think the lure comes with it.
I think if I catch the fish, that's worth. Lose bait, then catch fish with bait in mouth. I'm watching that video. I either caught a rock or another fish. It's a rock. Yeah, yeah, we'll take it that way. I don't want to lose it. Can you just take the boat? Oh, never mind. Let me just.
Just jump on over. Hey, Brock. Have fun getting back. Hey, Ethan, let's leave. Oh.
Take it over.
Why is that so satisfying? Love that. Love it.
What, dude? I just eating this thing!
What? Let's go!
What did you see? I yanked it.
all I hear is Ethan go, I got one! Rips it out of the freaking water.
Bro, it was getting blown up.
Ethan goes, dude, I'm getting blown up over here.
Okay,
Yeets it.
Oh, we didn't even end it. That's your last one.
Wait for him to throw it in. Let's get this fish on right here. Never mind, we moved too far deep.
Alright.
Nuh-uh. Fish on! Oh!
There's...
I don't know, but if you heard that, but I called that. I did. Oh! boat! Fish in the boat!
I got him. Chill.
You got him?
We gotta give it to Brock first.
I don't even know if my finger can fit in there. Yep.
Why did that eat that? That one's killing it. That one's killing
That's how I
it.
do it right here. Bam at 34, number 3 on the day. Let's go. You just cut a tree. Cut it. That's a cast right there, fellas. If you're watching this, I'd be ready for a smacker. Never mind, fish aren't here today, so I don't know what's up. I said we get that anchor up and get under those trees over there. Yeah, so we've pretty much been fishing. It floats. What was I gonna say is we've been fishing for about 30 minutes. I've caught about 4.
Starting to get kind of slow.
Yeah, starting to get slow. We've got about 4 fish. I have caught 3. Ethan has caught 1. Tommy's here for fun, but he'll catch one by the end of the day.
Tommy's our boat boy.
Yeah, he'll catch one by the end of the day. So
What time is it?
we only been out here for 30 minutes. We got out here at 5. It's 5:30. All right, guys. Let's go catch some fish. Oh. Think that. Heads up, guys. All right, guys. There it is up in the tree. I'm gonna show you how to get this out.
It dropped in the water.
No, it's floating. It's floating. Get it.
I'm going. Actually, yeah, it would float. It only goes down when
All right, guys. There's my bait in the water. We just lost it, but we're gonna find it.
You want the net?
Where'd it go? Where? Get the net. Get the net. Get the net. Tommy, I think you just went underneath it.
This man just ran over it and sunk it.
You just sunk it. It's got to come up, right?
Possibly.
Will it come up after it goes down?
Yeah. Right there!
Tango spotted. Tango spotted. There's our bait, guys, and then we're going to get it with this net. Let's go do this thing.
I got to swoop it.
Oh. Yeah, we know you can't go in straight, Tom.
Actually, cut that out.
I caught him.
Scoop it.
Okay, we're out here in the water. That's how we do it, fellas. Get it. We're scaring all the fish. There's fish right there. Look, bass. Bam, another bass. Bam. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's bass all over this, and we're just driving past it, scaring them. Don't forget to hit that. Don't forget to smash the like button.
Smash it. Don't just tap it.
Smash it.
I have a fish on. Or a rock. That's a rock.
Oh, I had a fish. Oh my god.
Oh, it's moving. That's a catfish.
No way.
I have a catfish.
You're joking. You don't have a fish on. Probably got a stick.
I can't wait for the video to make it look stupid. I can see the stick
Yeah.
moving, Tommy.
Where?
Right there.
Look in front of you. Look in front over. It's over here.
Oh. It was moving, bro.
It's a freaking catfish.
I thought it was, dude.
Stick popping out of the water.